So this is, I hope I don't have to repeat myself too many times. I don't mind it saying it again, but okay, this is zygote, and then 2 cells is missing, 4 cells, 8 cells, morula, and God knows, could be morula, could be blastula, but definitely blastula. They cut it in half so you can see inside of it is hollow. Well, fluid field. So blastula. What is the name of what stage? Blastula. What stage? Morula, right? And then what is the name of structure inside? That's blastocele. What stage? Gastrula. What is the name of structure right here? Blastopore. What is the name of structure here? Blastocele. And then, well, that's not archenteron. What stage? Gastrula. What is the name of structure? Archenteron, blastopore, blastocele, gastrula. Now, this is the frog, but let's go over the frog and then I'll go over these two. Remind me to go over those 3. There are 3 of them. Okay? So, temporary. So, what you have here, this is in order now, put it this way. Put it this way, I think. I hope this way. So, in order. Is that right? Zygote, 2 cells, morula, blastula. Blastocele, again, blastocele, blastula, blastocele, blastula, gastrula. Notochord, mesoderm, endoderm, ectoderm. Same thing here. One thing here is yolk plug. The white is yolk plug. So this is the whole thing. Gastrula. These are all gastrula. The yolk plug, endoderm, notochord, embryonic gut. And then after gastrula, there is a stage called here neurula. Neurula. A name of structure, neural plate. They cut this in half for you so you can see inside of the neurula stage. Neural plate, neurula, and then you have the red is mesoderm, endoderm, notochord. You can see notochord and neural plate. And neural plate becomes neural tube. Now you have neural tube on top, notochord on the bottom, endoderm, mesoderm, all of this. And of course, this is an embryonic stage. Embryonic stage, still neural tube, came from ectoderm, mesoderm, notochord, endoderm, embryonic gut, and mesoderm, right? Cross section. So you have somites, mesoderm, endoderm, notochord, neural tube. I don't know how were you able to get it? Neural tube, right? Somite, notochord, neural tube, endoderm, mesoderm. These are all mesoderm. Okay, so and then these guys, same thing. This is gastrula stage. So anything red is mesoderm, anything yellow is endoderm, yolk plug right here, and the green is notochord. But it came from mesoderm, remember that. And then same thing here. This is a neural tube, which came from ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, and the green is notochord, which came from mesoderm. Same thing, neural tube came from ectoderm, and then mesoderm, endoderm. The green is notochord, came from mesoderm. Chick, 33 hours, right? So you have optic vesicles, prosencephalon, mesencephalon, rhombencephalon. These are somites, mesoderm. All of this is ectoderm, as you're right. And anything yellow is endoderm. The red is the aortic arches. Neural fold, neural groove. Inside you have heart, aortic arches, but these are vitelline vessels, notochord, aortic arches, aortic vesicle is they call it, somites underneath, and then right the blue is neural tube, came from ectoderm, right? You don't know that. Optic vesicle, prosencephalon, heart, epicardium, endocardium, pharynx, coelom, neural tube, notochord underneath. Same thing again. Then you go here, you have somites, dorsal aorta, neural tube, underneath is notochord. And then when you go farther down on these guys, right here, neural fold, neural groove, and notochord, and that's it on this. Okay, on amoeba, we have two models of, let's do Euglena first, because I'm going based on your lecture notes. Euglena, phylum Euglenozoa, flagellum, nucleus, chloroplast, cytoplasm. Do not worry about the rest. I'm not sure what they are. I have to look at the key to tell you what they are. Okay, then amoeba, pseudopod, contractile vacuole, nucleus, lysosome, food vacuoles, vesicles. These are vesicles. Remember we talked about this. Ectoplasm, endoplasm, cytoplasm. Not ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Ectoplasm, endoplasm, cytoplasm. On this model, this one, of course, cell membrane is creamish, ectoplasm, endoplasm, cytoplasm. Yellow is endoplasm, blue is ectoplasm, and then the orange is cytoplasm. Nucleus, contractile vacuole, food vacuoles. That's it. On paramecium, oral groove, cytoproct, ampulla, contractile vacuole. Macronucleus, micronucleus, trichocytes, ampulla, contractile vacuole, food vacuoles, and cytoplasm, and that's it. On this one, same thing, oral groove, macronucleus, micronucleus, contractile vacuole, ampulla, cytoproct. I forgot to mention cytoproct or cytopage, just that one. These are food vacuoles. This one, now it's expelling it out, is contractile vacuole. This one expelling the solid waste out, that's cytoproct, cytopage. Macronucleus, ampulla, and then contractile vacuole. Dr. Malik, did he live?